Hello, Jay here with your Phuket weekly weather update live from my parents' garden in the New Forest in the good old England. And look at the weather. 21st of December and look, it's beautiful. It is a bit nippy though, that's for sure, hence why I've got the hat and fleeces on. But you don't care what the weather's doing in England right now. You want to know what the weather's doing in Thailand. Well, luckily enough, I can wish you away.
Huh?
Whisk is a word, isn't it? Not wish. I do wish I was there, actually, to be fair, because I do want some spicy food, and I'm not feeling the best today. A little bit of man flu. Anyway, I'm going to whisk you away by the magic of my laptop up in my daughter's bedroom, because that's the only place I can film this morning, because the house is quite busy with people. Anyway, there you go. Stay tuned and watch this amazing weather forecast for Christmas week. That's right. Happy Christmas, everyone, if you celebrate Christmas, and if you don't, then happy Thursday, which is when Christmas is. Anyway, you want to see what the weather's doing? Right, let's go. Woo! Hello, Jay here. It's cold out there. It's not so bad in here. I'm a little bit hot now. A bit sweaty. I might have to take my fleece off later. I'm probably not wearing my Christmas bubble hat, but it is Christmas week. So, got to wear a Christmas bubble hat no matter what. There we go. And can I just say, please feel sorry for me. One, I'm on my holly bobs and I'm still working. And two, I've got a little bit of man flu. That's right. A little bit of man, I say a little bit, a lot of man flu. So I'm feeling a little bit rough. But I'm here for you. That's right. So let's look at the weather this week, and we're on Windy, our usual app, which shows us where the wind's coming from, which shows if it's going to be bumpy or not, and also shows if it is going to be any rain. There's going to be no rain, by the way, over Christmas week in Phuket. I hope, anyway, I haven't really checked. But that's what we're on Windy for. So if you see blue and purple, that's good. That's no wind. Green means there's a little bit of wind. Yellow means there's a little bit more wind. Orange means there's loads of wind. And if you see Burgundy, so if you see Ron Burgundy,
I'm Ron Burgundy?
thanks, Miguel, then that's loads of wind. We don't often see Burgundy, but maybe if I go to where I am in the UK, there will be some Burgundy. But anyway, don't worry about that. We're talking about Phuket right now. So this is Sunday the 21st as we record this. And as you can see, it's pretty nice. There is some wind in Phang Nga Bay, but it's really well protected, so it won't be bumpy. Oh my God, it won't be bumpy too much. PP looks quite nice. Let's move to Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon, wind's coming through there, but once again, won't be too bad. Doesn't look too bad whatsoever. Monday the 22nd looks great. Monday looks lovely in Phuket. Lots of purple down in PP, purple up in Similin Islands. Great time to go to Similin Islands at the moment. Purple all around Phuket, so that looks good. A little touch of green, but that doesn't matter. That's okay. Let's look at Monday afternoon. Monday afternoon looks fine, no issues at all. Let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday looks good. Doing the weather during high season is quite easy, isn't it, really? You just have to say it looks good all the time. Looks good. Tuesday afternoon. Looks good. Wednesday the 24th, Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve. The day that Santa has to work very hard. All the elves have finished making their presents and Santa's packing his sack and getting ready to come down people's chimneys. If you have a chimney, if you don't have a chimney, I don't know how he gets in. Breaker in. I think breaking and entering is probably the expression I should use. Not that Santa does that. Oh, no, kids. Don't report him to the authorities. No, because you won't get any presents and you'll be naughty. Okay, so 24th in the morning looks good. 24th in the afternoon doesn't look too bad. So with Santa's trip that day over Phuket, it's going to be easy sailing for him. No waves. Not that he's going to be in a boat, because he's on a sleigh that flies. Woo. That's right. Now let's have Christmas Day. Christmas Day, the Thursday. Woo! Be a bit bumpy if you're going to Similin Islands on Christmas Day. So maybe don't go to Similin Islands on Christmas Day. PP looks great. Phang Nga Bay looks great. It's lovely purple here. Looks amazing. Christmas afternoon. Everyone will be eating their turkey dinner. If you're vegetarian, you won't be eating a turkey dinner. You're probably having a nut roast. Good for you. Chewing on some nuts with your roast. Christmas Day looks brilliant. Let's look at Boxing Day. Does someone else call it Boxing Day? Or is it only English people that call it Boxing Day? Does Australians call it? I think they do, don't they? Americans do. Anyway, don't know why it's called Boxing Day. But there, Boxing Day looks a little bit windy down in PP, but once again, nothing to worry about. It's only a very light green colour. So Boxing Day afternoon looks great. Let's look at Saturday the 27th. Looks good. A little bit maybe down in PP and maybe a little bit bouncy, but once again, nothing to really worry about. Let's look at Saturday afternoon. Hello, Saturday afternoon. There you go. Ooh, might be a wee bit bumpy if you're going. This is Ratcha down here. So if you're coming back from Ratcha, I'm not sure. I can't talk. This is the man flu, by the way. I'm not sure how well you can see the screen. Now, I apologise because I'm on my little laptop rather than my big screen. I'm going to have to cough now. Miguel, you might have to edit this bit out or just leave it in, then people know I do actually have man flu. Thanks. Okay, it might be a little bit bumpy coming back from Ratcha if you are going down to Ratcha. And then it looks like next Sunday, the 28th, once again, might be a bit bumpy down in Ratcha, a little bit down in PP, but nothing, once again, absolutely nothing to worry about. Looks good. Sunday next week. Okay, might be a bit bumpy coming back from PP. So next Sunday, so a week today, if you're watching this on Sunday, if you're not watching this on Sunday, it's not a week today, it's next Sunday, whenever you're watching it. It might be a bit bumpy, especially down in Simlin Islands. So Simlin Islands at the end of the week looks pretty much, don't go to Simlin Island. Oh no, then again, Sunday morning looks good. Oh, what do I know? Just go to Simlin Islands and risk it. It'll be fun. Go swimming with turtles. Here's a picture of my son swimming with turtle. Look at that. That's a few years ago. I like that. It's nice. Anyway, there you go. That is your windy. Let's look at the Phuket for the acute weather. So this is your bog standard. Now, I know it's really difficult to see this because it's white on white on white on white. Not being racist, that's just how it is. And my camera might not adjust. And also, I'm in a really weird room. You don't want to see the mess. What is it with teenage daughters? They are messy. Or is it just mine? Honestly, my 11-year-old son is cleaner than my teenage daughter. Absolutely, I'm just looking around. Bits and stuff everywhere. Disgusting. Anyway, 32 to 35 most of the week. Not much chance of rain. 1%, 2%, doesn't really matter. This looks like it. Flipping Nora. Don't know who she is. Looks like it's going to be a good week in Phuket next week. And hopefully I'll feel better. Let's finally look at our TMD radar. Absolutely pointless because it's live right now on the Sunday morning in Phuket and I'm not there. But I just want to show you, once we could do this. Let's search location. Let's go.
One eternity later.
So I just wanted to show you, this is England. So I'm right down here, down in the southwest, and you can see what the wind's doing around me, and you can see some rum burgundy, there's some orange. Where I am, it's green. It's actually a beautiful day, as you saw just a minute ago. But there you go, I just wanted to show you different colours because it's beautiful and it just stands out. And that's it, really. Anyway, I want to wish you a very, very happy Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, just have a lovely Thursday on Christmas Day. And yeah, go out boating because it looks good this week. But I'm warning you, we're running out of boats. Sean is buying more boats at the moment. Sean 2's coming soon, that's right. She's a lovely boat. The Inceptor. It's actually Interceptor, I think. Interceptor. Anyway, I did a video about it like a dinosaur, but it's a 50-foot, beautiful, sleek speedboat, and she's lovely. And she's coming out very, very soon. But there you go. Hope you're having a great week. And then, yeah, I'm going to go back to bed now because I'm not feeling very well. And I hope this weather forecast wasn't as rubbish as I think it is. Right, good. Thanks for watching. Cheers, like and subscribe. And good luck editing this, Miguel, because it's a mess. Cheers. Bye. I don't know where the UK's gone.